Hello, and welcome to Miss Tipton's Reading Classroom. Students, you are currently in Google Classroom, in which you will be viewing the next Charlotte's Web unit that we will be conducting. For future reference, you will be able to find this video later under the Introduction to our Charlotte's Web unit. First, we will begin looking at Module 1. You will read Charlotte's Web. The audiobook has been attached for you to use, and I encourage you to do so. As you read the book, think about how each character behaves through their words and actions. Also, think about how the characters look in your imagination. Their traits help us to understand who they are and why they act the way they do. Understanding the characters helps us to become better readers and enjoy the happiness of reading. I have included a character analysis chart under Module 1 to help guide you as you read. Look at the headings. These headings will help you to look for specific text evidence as you think about each character's traits. You will use your completed character analysis chart to help you in Module 2. So, do your very best to analyze each character completely. Resources. Everything you need is located under Charlotte's Web Resources on our classwork page. Just look for it. Again, all items that you may need to complete Module 1 can be found under the Module 1 tab. For example, there are the objectives and goals for Charlotte's Web, the engagement activity, step 1, the character analysis examples, exploration, step 2, character analysis, and explanation, step 3, think tank. After completing Module 1, students should then move to Module 2. Students, you will choose one of the 4 characters from the book to design a brochure about the character. Your brochure should be creative in order to encourage others to read Charlotte's Web. So, you will use what you have learned from Module 1 to create a brochure. I have included instructions for you. If you have any questions, please contact me through email. My email is found within your class book. Within Module 2, you will find the objectives and goals, elaboration, step 4, character brochure, my character's brochure, example, evaluation, step 5, rubric and self-evaluation. Let's view an example of my character's brochure. As you can see, this brochure is very colorful, very welcoming, and has at least 6 of Wilbur's character traits. As stated within Module 1, all needed material can be found within Charlotte's Web's resources. Charlotte's Web book by E.B. White. Here you can find a link to the full audio of Charlotte's Web. Here is a link to be able to listen to the audiobook as you read silently. Here is Charlotte's Web video. After reading the book, watch the attached video to complete the text to other media. Charlotte's Web character analysis chart. My character brochure example. We viewed this brochure example in Module 2. And your brochure rubric. Students, please make sure that you follow my brochure's rubric closely. Students, I hope you have fun with this online learning lesson through Google Classroom. Charlotte's Web is one of my personal favorite books, and I hope that you enjoy learning about Charlotte's Web and the characters found within the book just as much as I do.